Hello, my name is Marina and I'm a PhD student at Cardiff University, and I'll be discussing our research topic, which is on the improvement of a humidified ammonia hydrogen combustor design. In recent years, ammonia has been gaining traction as a green hydrogen alternative fuel, with the thought process that renewable energy like solar and wind can be used to produce green ammonia, which can then be stored and transported at long distances, and once that energy is needed again, the ammonia can be cracked to produce hydrogen within the combustion device, and hence these ammonia hydrogen blends can be used to produce electricity without producing any carbon dioxide when they are burnt. And so the PhD topic is a multi-section approach looking at different aspects of how we can better design these ammonia hydrogen combustors, looking at topics such as flame chemistry, CAD design of the combustors, and materials, just to mention a few.